What's up, everyone? This is Crown Chrysler in Ventura County. Today, we are taking a look at a used certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport S. Billet silver exterior, black interior, CarFax one owner, no accidents, 23,398 miles, 3.6 V6 cylinder engine, manual transmission, 17 city, 23 highway MPG, 4x4 drivetrain, wireless phone connectivity, split folding rear seats, convertible hardtop, steering wheel mounted audio controls, rear window wiper, skid plates, trailer sway control, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, front and rear anti-roll bar, fully automatic headlights, leather steering wheel, backup camera, remote keyless entry, 17-inch tech silver aluminum wheels, and much more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Chrysler in Ventura, and you just previewed a used 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport S. Thank you. Excited to hear from you guys.